Welcome to the homework solution tutorial. This is on 2D to 2E. This is part C. I will be covering your special factoring. The first one, it says it's a difference of squares. Where do they get that? Well, notice that this is a difference and that these are referred to your squares. You need to be able to memorize this pattern. Please understand that it's a squared minus b squared will always be equal to a plus b and a minus b. All right, so let's do that. You want to write this as the difference of two squares. So the first one, it's x, and the second one, it's 5. Okay, your a here is x and your b here is 5. So if we put that in that format, x squared minus 25 is equal to a plus b, which is just x plus 5, and a minus b, which is x minus 5. Great job. 17, this is a perfect of squares, I believe, but it tells us to pull out a GCF. Okay, let's pull it out. Looks like we can pull out a 2 here. All right. Oh, a 2x. We could actually pull out an entire 2x here. So it's 2x, leaving you with what's left here, an x minus, let's see, 18. Okay, if you don't want to see it here, let me show you the long division. Right, 2 goes into 3 one time. 1 times 2 is 3. Right, bring down the 2. 2 goes into 2 one time. It's 11? No, wait. No, sorry. It should be 18. Right, that's what's, yeah. Hold on. Give me a second. See, I did my long division too quick. So 2 goes into 3 one time. 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring down the 2. 2 goes into 12 6 times. You see? So you see, that was my first mistake. It wasn't 18. Okay, it was actually 16. Okay? And then that's it. All right? Okay. Is this a difference of squares? Yes, it is, because 16 is a perfect square. Okay? But we pulled out an x, though. Interesting. It's just x minus 6. We can't do a difference of squares. Take a look. This is a so this is a square, right? This is just 4 square. But there's no square here, right? There's no square here, right? So that is impossible. So yeah, that's it. We can't do anything else, okay? Because again, if there's no 2 squares, you can't use difference of squares. Remember, it requires 2 different squares. So the final answer here, it's just 2x parentheses x minus 16. That's it. Let's do 18 here. 18 asks us to pull out that GCF, so we're going to divide this by 3. Divide this by 3. And then we have 3 parentheses x squared plus 9. Oh, wow. This could look like a difference of squares. Take a look. That's a square, right? That's a perfect square. And this is also a square, right? Can we use difference of squares? No, because this is a sum. Okay, you cannot do that. So you have to leave this as the final answer. Okay, you cannot do difference of squares here. All right, so that is part C.